Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You log into BookBolt and head straight to keyword research. This saves time. Enter 1 to 3 seed terms relevant to your niche, then choose the marketplace and language. Once done, apply filters for minimum search volume and maximum competition to focus results. Make sure to toggle relevancy sorting so top matches appear first. You start with targeted inputs because they narrow thousands of options into a manageable list that actually converts for low content or paperback books. You examine each candidate by combining search volume with competition and trend data. This reveals keywords that are realistic to rank for. Next, export your shortlist and sort into groups for titles, subtitles, and backend tags. This saves time during listing. Then, expand with modifiers like journal, planner, or workbook to create long-tail phrases that buyers type. Remember to cross-check average BSR or estimated sales to prioritize terms that actually drive purchases rather than just traffic. You choose one strong primary keyword for the title, a complementary phrase for the subtitle, and fill backend tags with remaining high-relevance terms. Once set, test them live in Amazon search to observe auto-suggestions and competing listings. This validates intent. If results are thin or inconsistent, go back and broaden your seed terms or lower competition filters while slightly raising volume thresholds to find usable alternatives. And if listings aren't ranking, revise cover, price, or keywords and monitor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.